Hello DIYers. There's a lot of videos showing you how to replace wipers, but not all of them include OEM parts and part numbers. Today we're replacing the windshield wipers on a 2011 GMC Terrain, including the rear wiper, which has a lot of bad or confusing info on how to do it, so hopefully this video will help. First, the OEM parts here and the part numbers if you know what you're doing and just want to make sure you're ordering the right stuff. It also helps me out if you click on my affiliate links in the description below, but you don't have to, especially if you can find parts cheaper at your local dealer. Let's get started. And just to be clear, there's no tools needed for this job. We'll start with the driver's side. All you need to do is push in this button here and the wiper blade slides right out. While I did all this in one take, it doesn't hurt to put a rag or something on the windshield just in case you hit the wiper arm and it snaps back down onto the windshield. The last thing we want is to crack the windshield trying to replace the wiper blade. The new OEM blade is ready to use right out of the package, and it just slides back into place the same way the old blade came out. Then onto the passenger side. We'll do the same thing. Push the button, slide off the blade, slide back on the new one. Done. Let's give these new wipers a quick test. And it looks like everything is working great. Let's move on to the rear wiper. I've seen a couple videos where they tell you to take this cover off and then remove the whole wiper arm. But you don't need to do that. Let me show you why. You can simply pull up on the wiper arm and then pull the blade out. I'm using a little towel to rest the wiper arm on as I get the new blade. But if you have help, just keep the arm up. Then you can just snap the new wiper blade into place. So yeah, not sure why other videos have tools involved. As you can see, the new blade is working great and we didn't even have to remove the wiper arm. And that's it. This was just a super quick video to help you replace the wiper blades on your 2011 GMC Terrain. I hope you found the video helpful. If so, your clicks do help tell YouTube if my video is worth recommending to others. So please do like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Alan, and this is Metaloop. I'll see you next time.